Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you saw the last video, you know I hinted at a big upcoming project. Well, today, the first big part of that project was delivered, and it's right behind me. I'm not going to give away all of the surprise, but let's get it unwrapped and out of the truck.
What's making all the noise?
I don't know. It's off.
Hold it. Keep going. Keep going. All right, go. Go, 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 go. All the way.
He wants to nose forward, or nose. I gotta push the end in. So come on down slow. Alright, we're back. Here it is in all its glory. Straight from a wrecking yard in New Jersey, shipped out to Washington. So, the overall plan, where to start? Well, let me introduce you to another vehicle that you guys haven't met on the channel yet. This here is my 2004 350Z. I've had it for quite a while now, and it's treated me real good. It started out as an automatic and just recently got switched over to a 6-speed manual. So we're gonna kick it up a notch and we're gonna LS swap it. And while it's not technically an LS, it's an LS style engine, because this right here is a 5.3 liter L59 out of a 2004 GMC Sierra. It's an LS style block. It's cast iron, not aluminum, like a true LS, but it'll do the job. So this series and the videos coming up will be us trying to finagle this V8 into this car that came from the factory with a V6, so should be pretty interesting. So doing a little bit of a walk around, like I said before, this 5.3 came out of a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500. It's got the truck manifold and truck headers, and there's a dog. Something cool about it though is it has the 706 heads, which is a really good flowing head actually. So I don't think we'll be changing the heads. The next couple videos coming up though, we'll tear it down, get the whole front accessories off, get the belt drive off. That'll be replaced with an LS1 accessory drive, and all the accessories are from 2003 Corvette. So we'll get that off, get the water pump off, get the motor mounts that are still, on there. We'll get the exhaust manifolds out. Actually, funny thing about the exhaust manifolds, let's see, right here, I was looking for a point in which I could connect the chain to the block to lift it out of the back of the truck. I was thinking, oh, I'll just hook it up to the exhaust manifold. I go and I grab the bolt and it's loose, and I shake it and it drops right out. So we'll have to get the rest of that bolt out. That might be a trick. Always fun. We'll remove the intake manifold. Remove the intake manifold. I have a A-Team aluminum manifold coming from it. It has a 102, I think it's 102 millimeter throttle body. So we'll get that coming. Get rid of the fuel rails. We'll have to take the coils off. I noticed that this side it actually only has one coil on it. So we'll pick up new coils, and then we're going to be swapping in, instead of using the factory wiring harness in ECU, we have a Holley Terminator X coming for it. I know this video was a little wordy, and I promise that the next episodes to come will have a lot more action and less talk. If you like what we're doing on the channel, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.